if you're thinking about getting a centrifuge or masticating juicer, it all depends on, do you want quick juices or do you have time to make your juice? So don't throw the pulp up. You can use it to fertilize your garden. You can use it to make pancakes, cake.
Lots of beets.
There's only one beet in there.
It's a little spicy.
Alright, so this is a masticating juicer. We're gonna go and cut up some beets, carrots. The masticating juices are a little slower, so it kind of warms up the veggies that you're grinding up, so producing and keeping more of the nutrients, basically. So when you make the juice, the nutrients inside the veggies are gonna last you about 2 to 3 days, versus if you do the centrifuge, you basically have to drink that within like a day. So that's the benefit to it. So we got some beets. Let's cut these guys up. I'm going to show you how to put this together. Very easy to clean, at least this one. This is the Orfeld model. I like the look of it. So you got this plasticky thing. This is the release valve for the juice. The pulp comes out of here. So this is basically your grinder. The material, I don't know, some sort of a plastic wrapped around some steel rod. This goes in here. There's little blades in here. Alright, you put this here. Alright, there you go. And then this is it. Now you put this on top of here, and then you lock it there. And then the pulp comes out from here. To plug this in, just line these up here. Oh, wrong way. It's this way. And adjust. And then that will lock. Now we're ready to go. Here we got our buckets. First one is for your juice. That goes under here because this is where the juice is, and then this is for the pulp. Okay. And then this is obviously to just get the juice thing in. Alright, so when you're cutting this, obviously you want to make sure that it fits the hopper. So we're going to have to cut this up a little bit. So it's going to get messy, so I recommend you do it over the sink. You do not need to peel this, so that's a plus. And then you go right in. Look how nice and red these are. Alright, so to turn this on, so you have basically 3 buttons: on, off, and reverse. Alright, when you turn it on, it's going to start grinding. Off, and turn it off, and reverse if you kind of get stuck or you're not getting any juice. Alright, so let's turn it on. And right away this little thing starts to grind, and off we go. Secure this here on my little mount. You can see it's grinding, but it's a lot slower. But there's the pulp. Let's open this up. This is where the juice comes out. Still waiting for that juice. There's the juice. Now beet juice is extremely sweet. And you really do have to press. Don't put your fingers in there like me. Use this. Now I don't recommend putting in like kale. You're not going to get a lot really out of kale, a lot of juice at all, actually. So we are at about just under 200 ml. Let's get some apples. Apples have quite a lot of juice. Alright, so we you've got this much pulp, basically from one beet, and what, 3 carrots, 3.5, and this much healthy juice, just under 200 ml. How does it taste? Very good, very sweet, very sweet. If you don't like eating beets or veggies, this is one way to get your nutrients. There's different types of juicer that you can use. They all are the same. It honestly comes down to the look and the volume that it produces. Some of them have larger pails, some of them have larger these. This one, for example, has a nice little chrome touch here, and this quite nicely fits in here. So, but at the end of the day, if you're thinking about getting a centrifuge or a masticating, it all depends on, do you want quick juices or do you have time to make your juice? Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.